Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Fieldhouse 57. Today we are going back to 1990, where we're opening up a Pro Set Series 2 for Emmitt Smith rookie, the Santa Claus head coach card. So, let's see what we can get. Start us off, Doug Smith, Pro Bowl. Randall McDaniel, Pro Bowl. Starts off with 2 linemen. Okay. Floyd Turner. Dave Waymer. Jerry Holmes. Mark May, former ESPN. Howie Long. Nice. Hall of Fame Howie. Milford, Mass. Johnny Rembert. I'll put it up there just because he's a Patriot. Love those logos. Alan Pinkett. Michael Young. Pat Terrell, rookie. Richmond Webb. Wow. I haven't heard that name in a while. Ken Clark, Pro Set Prospect. And he didn't do much after that. Reggie Rembert, traded Jets to Cincinnati. Nice looking card. An MVP, Super Bowl John Riggins. Art card. Love it. All right. Good pack.